Have you noticed that AI is getting better at almost everything? It can write articles, generate images, create videos, and even help companies automate jobs. So the big question is, what skills should you learn? In this video, I'll share 5 powerful skills that AI can't truly replace. And the number one skill is becoming more important every year. Let's get started. At number 5, we have spoken English and communication. AI can translate languages and write perfect sentences, but it can't attend your job interview. It can't speak confidently in front of your manager. And it definitely can't build trust with real people on your behalf. Coming in at number 4 is sales and persuasion. Now, when people hear the word sales, they usually think about selling products. But sales is much bigger than that. When you convince someone to hire you, that's sales. When you negotiate a better salary, that's sales. AI can provide information, but trust is still built between people. At number 3, we have public speaking. A machine can generate a speech, but it can't create the energy, confidence, and presence of a great speaker. Many successful entrepreneurs, CEOs, and content creators have one thing in common. They know how to communicate confidently in front of an audience. The more comfortable you become speaking in public, the more opportunities you'll create for yourself. At number 2 is networking and relationship building. You've probably heard the phrase, your network is your net worth. Many of the best opportunities in life don't come from online applications. They come through recommendations, connections, and relationships. And finally, at number 1, content creation and personal branding. Here's something most people don't realize. AI can create content, but it can't be you. People follow personalities. They follow stories. That's why creators, educators, influencers, and entrepreneurs who build a personal brand are becoming more valuable every year. In the future, the winners won't be the people who compete against AI. They'll be the people who use AI while building a brand around themselves. Which of these skills are you currently working on? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content like this. Thanks for watching.